Hello everyone, welcome to WowFi, and today we are going to be reacting to KonoSuba, an explosion on this wonderful world. Season 1, Episode 1. What is going to happen? Let's find out right now. And if you guys are enjoying the anime reactions, smash like and subscribe. Here we go. Oh yeah! So we got what appears to be a lot of magic concentrated on a single area. And we also have a dragon on a temple. That's wild. Yo! Oh! Who is that mysterious figure? Well, were you hurt? How could I become like you? Is that an inspiration? What's your name? Megumin. I knew it! I knew that was Megumin when she was a child. Okay. Alright. Okay. The wielder of explosion magic. It's a tale of her departure from a whole town. Ooh, it's an original story. This is going to be a lot of fun. This is going to be very exciting. Episode 1, The Crimson Eye Wizard. Megumin. Is that a nickname? It's a real name. Yup. Who did free her from that seal? Your magic blew away a few pieces of the puzzle I finally finished. Yeah! Go help her out! Is she trying to trick Megumin? Is she evil? I don't know who this person is. Yep, true. Is there anything you wish for? Ooh, a wish. Anything you want. Oh, she's a wizard. Let's go. She said whatever she wanted, so, is there anything else you want? Then I want to be Devil King. Okay. Compared to a big shot with you, I'm a wizard with somewhat modest power. I can grant one wish of your somewhat modest wishes. A bigger dream of yours. A big dream? Teach me the magic you just used. Yeah. Miss Red Hair, that's what you said. And then like you told it down. The most powerful. Ooh, a lobster. Oh. Wait, that's crawfish? Oh, I thought that was lobster. Sorry. Yup. Open the door. If you were worried, you should have looked for them. You should have came out of your house. That's quite the hole. Mom, what tonight? Yo, that looks good! Beef! You sure did. I gotta say, our customer got herself quite the deal. Who exactly is this customer? Egg! Ooh, we're in Saudi Arabia now. That's kind of cool. Could you get some tea? Why would they want tea in the desert? Whoa. Hey, a customer. Are you a traveler? Please take your time. To think humans are capable of this craft. Yo. Okay. Yep. Okay. So you're gonna let her have it or not? How much is it? Now that is interesting. I would buy it. But would you buy it? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, yep. Oh my gosh, the mom is so pretty as usual. 10,000 US. A guarantee. A pact, in other words. Sure, of course. Interesting. I'll take it. It sounds like you did a good deed. I bet she's pleased with her purchase. And thanks to her, we got to eat real meat. Wow, real meat. Beef. Megumin. Really and truly. Okay. Your mother made that look work. True. True. Yo, that looks so good. She looks great. Oh my gosh, that's such a proud dad moment, bro. It's so cool. We have boiled water. Ooh, boiled water. Yummy, yummy. A wizard. Yes. All shocked face. Congratulations on your enrollment. Welcome to the Quizbit Demon Learning Center. Oh, Magic Academy. Okay. The Red Prison. Yo! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Let's go! Speech! Let's go! Encouraging speech! Highly encouraging! Let's go! Yes! 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 Hold on a minute. Yes! 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 Hey! Don't interrupt him! I want to hear that old man talk! Unbelievable. The Red Prison. The first page of my story will be written. Yo, the animation looks so good! Let's go! The headmaster just goes on and on. Yep. And I want him to go on forever. I like him. He's chill. He's a chill dude. The chosen 11. 11 is a sorcerer's number. Ooh, sorcerer's number. You coming, Magani? There's a party at Negui's. Her family runs the pub. I'm not here to make funds. Nani? Who are you again? We live in the same village. You don't even know my name. Boo! Nothing at all? No. It's Yun Yun! I know idea you're in the same year as us. Yeah, she's a background character. A very cool background character. Huh? Nani? This calls for the OBS to be turned up. That is crazy. What a twist of events. So much of a twist of events. I had to go to my OBS and turn up the volume. That is crazy. It's Yun Yun versus Megumi, the start of the rivalry in the main series, KonoSuba. Man, that is absolutely crazy. Yep. Yep. Putting in the work while you're younger. Highly encouraging. That. And what's that? Explosion magic. Explosion? Yes, she's for real. Stay away from explosion magic. Why is that? Something that requires you to dedicate your life to it. It's not a joke! Girl laughter. So typical of a classroom. Okay, it's time for combat training, formerly known as gym's class. Wait, why did they get rid of the name gym class? Your defensive ability. Easy. Defense. Teamwork. Teamwork. Say teamwork. That is also true. Correct.
5点
5 points.
めぐみん
Yes. Yes. For self-defense only.
ああ50点悪い
Hey, why did he spit in her direction? That's not professional.
かっこよさです。
Ow! 100点だ
What?
我ら高魔族の戦闘は
You're joking, right?
始まらない
Bro.
それが
Looking bad apps? What?
コールオブ
That gets 500 points? Are you kidding me? What the actual duck? Hey yo, what is that?
我が名はプッチン
Puchin.
ウィザードにして上手な魔法を操る者
Puchin. Puchin. That sounds like a plushy animal. Oh. Yo. He used Thunderbolt. He's human version of Pikachu. That's crazy. Wait, someone got burned?
好きな者同士で
I want you to split it 2 pairs.
お互いにかっ
Ooh,
こいい名乗
partners.
りを上げてポーズの研究に励むのだ
Shouldn't they be practicing the magic outdoors? Poses?
よーし余ったやつは先生とペアだぞ
Okay. Of course.
は敵だ。
Megaman looks at the chest.
の大魔法使いになる可能性が高いです。ならば今ここでどちらが上か
Oh
決め
my
ておきましょう。
gosh.
なんだかわからんが、ものするえ上級魔法を習得し、
She battle advanced magic with real totally
新
10.
入生随一の発育摂氏者。
Wow. The massive. Yeah, we know what she was talking about.
ほれユンユンも
Give
やっ
it a
てみ
shot,
なさい
Yun Yun. Hi. I am the chief's daughter, and take your time, Yun Yun.
そんな照れてどうする名乗りを制する者が高魔
Hey, don't rush your teach. Take your time. You gotta be yourself when you do this type of
高魔
stuff.
族のくせに珍しいことを言う
Okay?
珍しい
Not at
ことを
all.
言う
Did he just dab?
いえ、
Nothing.
先生。
Sensei, I'm not feeling well. Is it okay if I set out to PE again today?
またか
Again?
今日の体育は
Why?
大事な授業だいつもみたいな軽病は許さんぞ
目覚めら。
This is the awakening.
私の中にいる
Ugh.
体を。
めぐみお前
Megumi,
ま
don't
さ
look at
か
me.
お前の中に封
I
印
think
され
Seal,
て
you're
いた
trying
ア
to
ンベックが目
awaken.
覚めようとしているのか仕方がない
So be it.
そこで休む
You
こ
can
とを
rest
許
over
す
there.
その封印決して解放するな
What
了解しました
seal?
では失礼します。
ユンユンという
It appears I'm without a
エ
partner.
ラがいなくなってしまった
Yeah.
一緒に組んで
They should
くれない
work together.
こう、そしてこう。
Ko. 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 It's
そう
waiting.
いえば今日は魔力の源たる月
It's at its apex today.
抑えられていた俺の
It seems my strength is overflowing as a result.
止める方法まで考えてなかったって言ってください。
Bah!
先生が大事に育てていた花壇のチューリップが流れてますよ。
Uh-oh. Wait, what?
いかん
Oh no, the tulips!
みんなチューリップ
Catch those tulips!
すれば私が首
Oh, I could lose my job.
本音が漏れてますよ。
Yes! He did say the quiet part out loud.
先生、私はお腹が痛いんで保健室に。
何言ってんの手伝ってだねあそこ
Wait, I know. The seal has been broken. What
写
seal?
真の力
I think I think he's being a little superstitious with that. I'm pretty sure it's just the weather. See, look, I was right. It was just the weather.
何なんですかこれは。
Tulips came back to life.
魔法が使えたらよかったんだ。
True.
全くですね、めぐみ。
Megumin.
みんなは笑ってたけど。
I know how everyone laughed, but I think whether it's a joke or not depends on who's using
慣れ
it.
慣れしいですよ。
Huh? You're supposed to be my rival, aren't you?
そうだよね。
Yeah, you're the rival. We're rivals competing in a mastery of
こ
magic.
の間の試験は私が2位だったけど、次こそは。はいはい。
Hi, hi.
はいって何よ。
Don't sound dismissive, please. That's highly discouraging.
私は
I wasn't even laughing at Megumin. I was just mocking the students who are laughing upon someone's dreams. that explosion magic saved someone's life, so it's technically
お
useful.
嬢ちゃん危ないから下がっていなさい
Boom.
少しだけ眠り
You need to rest a little longer, my other half.
あなたが目覚める
The
のは
world is too peaceful for
こ
your
の世
presence
界
at
は
the
まだ平和
moment.
すぎるから原初の炎
Rest within the primordial flame, cloaked by a smoke of supremacy. The first explosion. Explosion! Oh. Oh, she doesn't know how to use it yet. This is such a serious episode. Megumin will master explosion magic and become the most powerful wizard of them all. Let's go! Well, second to Aqua, obviously. Aqua's more powerful.
ネタかどうか
It doesn't matter if it's a joke or not.
私は
I'm going to master it. Explosion magic.
あの人みたいな魔法
Let's
使いになるんだ
go! And that is going to do it for me today. Thank you guys for watching this anime reaction video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 21,000 subscribers before my birthday in 2024. Support towards this goal is much appreciated. I also upload daily. And until the next one, have a great rest of your day.